Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the bed and beyond app. So let's quickly dive into it. So the bed and beyond app makes it easy to shop home goods on the go with features like coupon storage, wish list creation, order tracking, and app exclusive deal. It also supports quick checkout with saved payment method and price drop alert, which make it a handy tool for frequent shopper who want convenient and savings in one place. On the downside, the app has some quick navigation which can feel clunky, notifications don't always clear properly, and customer support is often automated, which can be frustrating when issues arise. So in conclusion, the app is worth using for a regular bed beyond support, looking for ideas and mobile access, but don't expect a flawless experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.